Are you prepared to take charge of your finances and manage your money wisely? It's crucial to develop sound financial habits if you want to become financially independent. We'll go over 7 easy actions to help you get organized and accomplish your financial objectives. 1. Create a budget. 2. Set financial goals. 3. Save and invest. 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. 5. Compare prices to find the best offers. 6. Stay informed. 7. Seek professional assistance. These suggestions will enable you to make the most of your money, whether you want to increase your savings, eliminate debt, or make investments for the future. Then let's get started.
Welcome to the Strategist.
How to be smart with your money in 7 steps. Number 1. Create a budget. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in and going out is the first step in managing your finances wisely. Track your income and expenses using budgeting software or a spreadsheet to find areas where you may spend less or save more. This might assist you in figuring out where you are going over budget and where you have the flexibility to cut costs. Tracking all of your revenue sources, including your salary, any dividends or investments, and any other sources of money, is the first step in creating a budget. Then, make a list of all of your spending, both variable and fixed, such as groceries and entertainment, as well as fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments. You may start identifying areas where you can make changes once you have a thorough list of your income and expenses. Consider cooking more meals at home if you find that you are spending a lot of money eating out. Or, if your credit card payments are excessive, you can think about paying off your balance sooner to avoid paying interest. You may track your income and expenses and create a budget using a variety of applications and tools. You Need a Budget, Personal Capital, and Mint are some of the most well-liked choices. You'll be able to see where your money is going and decide how to allocate it by creating a budget and keeping track of your expenditures. This might assist you in managing your money well and achieving your financial objectives. Number 2. Set financial goals. Having specific financial objectives will keep you motivated and on track over the long term, whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a home, or establish an emergency fund. These objectives can be precise and quantifiable, such as setting a monthly savings target, paying off a predetermined amount of debt, or achieving a predetermined net worth. Depending on your circumstances and priorities, you may want to think about establishing a variety of financial goals. Several typical financial objectives are: 1. Establishing an emergency fund. A savings account designated for unforeseen costs or financial setbacks is an emergency fund. In an emergency, having an emergency fund can prevent you from incurring debt or using credit cards. 2. Paying off debt. It might be a good idea to concentrate on paying off high-interest debt as soon as you can if you have credit card debt. You can reduce your interest costs and allocate more of your money to other objectives by paying down your debt. 3. Investing in retirement. For long-term financial security, it's crucial to increase your retirement funds. Think about contributing a particular sum each month to a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. 4. Saving for a home down payment. If you intend to purchase a home in the future, you will need to put money down for a down payment. Think about deciding how much money you want to save and how long it will take you to get there. 5. Increasing your savings. In addition to setting aside money for specific objectives, you should also create a general savings account to cover unforeseen costs and potential possibilities. You'll be able to concentrate on what matters most to you and move closer to reaching your long-term financial objectives. Number 3. Save and invest. Establishing a solid savings base is essential for both preparing for immediate needs and ensuring long-term financial security. Setting away a fixed sum of money each month, either in an investment account or a high-yield savings account, is crucial for effective saving. A form of savings account known as a high-yield savings account provides a higher interest rate than a standard savings account. Due to the FDIC insurance on these accounts, the government will back your funds up to $250,000 in full. For short-term savings objectives like an emergency fund or a down payment on a house, such as a down payment, high-yield savings accounts are a smart choice. Contrarily, investing is a way to perhaps increase your money over the long run by purchasing assets like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. The prospective profits from investing could be bigger than those from high-yield savings accounts, but investing entails additional risk. For long-term financial goals, such as retirement, investing is a solid choice. Understand your financial objectives and risk tolerance before you start saving or investing. To assist you in deciding the ideal savings and investing strategy for your circumstances, think about speaking with a financial planner or advisor. Number 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. While some types of debt, such as mortgages and school loans, may be necessary and even advantageous, others, such as credit card debt, may be detrimental to your financial well-being. Wherever possible, refrain from taking on additional debt. Number 5. Compare prices to find the best offers. It pays to browse around and check prices when purchasing items, whether they are big-ticket items, clothing, or groceries. Search for deals and discounts, and don't be shy about haggling for a lower cost. Number 6. Stay informed. Keep up with financial and economic developments that could have an impact on your money. This will assist you in making financially wise selections. Number 7. Seek professional assistance. If you're having trouble managing your money, don't be hesitant to obtain advice from a financial planner or a credit counselor. They can offer you helpful advice and tools to aid in better money management. Congratulations, you now understand the 7 steps to handling your money wisely. You may take charge of your finances and move closer to your long-term financial objectives by following these steps. Don't forget to begin by creating a budget, establishing financial objectives, and saving and investing. From there, you may concentrate on paying off debt, saving money, and increasing your emergency fund. Finally, make sure to monitor your development and adapt as necessary. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money management and personal financial advice.